Well, hello, I'm Alridge, your favorite real estate broker and appraiser in Atlanta, Georgia. Today we're in Henry County in the city of Locust Grove, getting ready to tour this beautiful new construction home behind me. And I'm back out here in this community because of my viewers asked, okay? This home is so lovely, flat backyard. This is a gated community. You're gonna love it. Let's go inside and see what all the fuss is about. Enjoy the tour. Okay, y'all, so I'm excited to show you all this because I've been getting requests for me to tour homes that are in different price points. And listen, I started this channel to be of service, because we have clients that are coming here from out of state and they're just not familiarized with what we have going on here. And so this is the perfect way for you all to see what's happening. And if you are new to my channel, you'll see that a lot of homes are in a higher price point, and and that's fine, that's okay. But if you're just starting out, you may not want to even do all that just yet, right? And that having all that house may not be the best move for you and your family. So you got to be wise about this decision. And, I'm here to assist. So this is a lovely community. It's gated. It's in a great area, y'all. Close to everything. Okay. But take notice, because you're probably like, listen, I don't want a house and I'm super close to my neighbors. Look at the space. So you're not on top of your neighbors. It's really quiet here, Well, it's not super quiet because they're here working, but it's really good. So Pulte Homes always has promotions that they run that are really good. It changes by the month. So give me a call and I'll have to call my contacts here and just figure out what is going on, what's new, and I'll let you know. But tons of promotions so that you can make the best decision, the most educated decision. This neighborhood has 1-story homes and 2-story homes. Yep. And little pocket parks and all that good stuff too. It's really cool. So this door just slammed because I opened the sliding glass door for drama, and the door just slammed. So if you heard that loud noise, that was the door slamming. But yeah, so let's step in. Did you see when I went up? Yeah. Okay, so we're in here. So I'm gonna close the door. It's gonna make some noise. I knew it. All right, so let me turn around. You've also made mention that you're not a huge fan of the stairs being right there, like directly going down to the door. So you see how this staircase is situated? And it's open right here. It's not just wall, it's open. Yeah. A lot of cool features. Also right here, you can put a piece of furniture. You come in the front door, maybe a mirror, maybe a table. What do you think? So downstairs, you have a bedroom and a full bath. And you know what? This space could be a great office. You work from home, this could be it, right? There's a loft upstairs, y'all, too, by the way. And the price of the home is in the description box. So click on that description box so you can get the price of the home and all that good stuff. Look at your tile. You got a tub, shower combination. The tile goes all the way up. I mean, just think about some of the details that you see in this home. You got drawers. You can open up that door right there. Cabinet door. We'll go up here shortly unless you fast forward. So now we're in your living room. Mount your television right up there, okay? This home comes with the ring camera and the Honeywell thermostat, where you can program your thermostat. If you're someplace else and you want to make sure the house stays warm or cool, you can program it from your phone, okay? So how do you like the view from here? See, it's different when you stand, in different parts of the house. You can really appreciate it. Yeah. So you always are buying a home to fit your lifestyle, right? Where are you in your life? What's most important? And so you buy a home that makes sense. Okay? So right here, if you want breakfast table. But remember, you got this multi-purpose island too. You see that? Yep. Refrigerator goes there. I don't think the builder is gonna put one in there. I'm not sure, but you know, you can always see, okay? I can't make no promises. If it's not there when I'm filming it, what do I know? But we can talk about it. I like to negotiate. I like to at least ask. But you got to know how to ask, okay? So this right here, this is your garage. I'll show you in a second. You come in from your garage, you have this space right here, and build it out. You can sit down, put a bench there. You can sit down, take those shoes off and things like that. You're coming home from work or from outside, you've been doing stuff. You may want to drop those clothes off before you go upstairs. Storage closet. Here, let me show you the garage. Let me step out so you can see. You got a garage door opener. You see? You park in here and honey, go on in there and get your life together. Okay? It's good. Now, before we go upstairs, let's go outside because you're gonna really appreciate your backyard. So let's do that right now. Oh, and one time for the sliding glass door. Oh, I think I just saw a bird, y'all. The birds are out. You see that bird over there in the sky? They're so happy. Oh, it's kind of windy out here. Look at your backyard. I'm in your backyard right now. I don't know, maybe you're like, you know what, we're gonna put a pool back here. We're gonna make it be. I don't know how big this lot is, y'all. I didn't ask Nicole. If you happen to want to come out here and you're excited, you want to see it for yourself, tell Nicole that I sent you. Okay? I understand you're riding around and you don't really want to engage just yet. I recommend you calling me, but you may say we're not doing that right now. If you're going to go in there and talk to Nicole, just tell her that Shawnie sent you. Here are your neighbors. So throughout the community, it's like little pocket parks. There's some places you can kind of like hang out and walk around and think you got sidewalk and stuff like that. So you can be pretty active out here in this community. I can imagine people having pets and stuff like that, and they're walking or having a nice walk after dinner. I can see that happening here in this community because of how they are building it out. Okay, so yep. What do you think? We still got to go upstairs. So let's go upstairs. It's gonna be good too, because you got your loft up there too. Okay, so let's do it. Yes, well, I hope you're enjoying the tour so far. We have some more to go. We have to go upstairs, have a look at the owner suite, the other secondary bedrooms, and the loft up there. Yeah, so if you want a private tour, let me know. My number is below. Give me a call right now while you're watching the video, okay? We'll get you scheduled on the books to have a tour of this one, and we'll get you pre-approved if you're not buying a home cash, okay? So without further ado, let's go. Okay, here we go. And I'll turn around so you can see what it looks like from here. There's the loft over there. But see, look. Yep. So here's your laundry. Yep. And then here is a bedroom. Remember, there was one downstairs, a bedroom downstairs. Then you have this one right here. reach-in closet. This is the backyard. Yep. And I found some other homes in this neighborhood about a month ago, y'all. So if you want to go and look at the other one, what's the name of the other ones? I can't think of it. But you can look at those. I think it's the Valen and something else. But it's a one-story home. But look at your tile. Goes all the way up. You got a tub and shower combination. Yep. Because the reality is, if you, depending on, your family, if you have small children or you have pets, you may appreciate having a tub versus just a shower only, And, it just all depends on your family dynamics, This is another bedroom, y'all. See, that's the staircase, and here's a bed. You got a reach-in closet. Yeah. I know I didn't show the other closet, but it's your typical reach-in closet. Not too deep, So, we'll look at this right here. The loft. So how would you situate your stuff here? Because it seems like to me, when everyone gets up and gets going before we go downstairs, you're gonna see this space. You may decide to put some stuff up here where you don't even have to go downstairs much once you get settled in for the day, Game night, on the weekend, things like that. Friends come over, you don't have to go into your kid's room and hang out right there and lounge. This is the front of the home, this bedroom. Reach-in closet. And if you know anybody who's interested in, a home like this, send them the video. Everyone has a reason to buy a home. It's their first home. It's their last home. It's, whatever you're going through. Life changes, life adjustments. So it has to fit your lifestyle. It makes sense. Look up. Pretty. It's the details for me. This is the back of the home, y'all. Yep. Isn't it pretty? I know you want to see that closet. We can ready to see this closet. I can't be mad at this closet. And just imagine you're going to have it customized too, because the reality is you got a lot of stuff probably. So you need to make, good use of the wall space, things like that. Where you're going to put your mirror, check yourself out. So, and if you like me, you need a ceiling fan. That ain't going to work. But dual vanity. Plenty of counter space. You see that? Look at your counter space. And right here, you have a large shower. And the tile goes all the way up. You see that? And there's a window up there too. Transom window. It's your water closet. Yeah. So it's really good. Yep. What are your thoughts? Give me a call. Send this video to a friend or family. We're in Locust Grove, so we're about 45 minutes from Atlanta. We have express lanes. Depending on the time of day, you can get to Atlanta, catch your flight. You can get to Atlanta to get to your place of employment, to see concerts and enjoy what Atlanta has to offer. Yeah. Or you can just stay down here in this area because you got stuff down here too. So let's go downstairs to the kitchen. I'll see you there. Yes, I certainly hope you enjoyed the tour of this lovely new construction home. As you can see, I'm in a beautiful, well-lit kitchen. In front of me is a multi-purpose island. Look at that. It's very good. You can sit down and eat. You can display food, prep food here. There's storage. And guess what? There's no kitchen sink. Remember, you said you don't want a kitchen sink. Some of you all are very particular about how you want your kitchen to be situated. So you see the kitchen sink has a great view of your beautiful backyard. And since we're talking about backyard, let's go on back there and have a look, because isn't it nice? It's flat, it's green, it's huge, it's very good. Yeah. But beyond the kitchen island is your breakfast area. So you can put a table right there beyond your kitchen island. Then you can go right into your living room and there's just natural light all over the place. You see that? It's very good. There's also a bedroom down here on this main level. With a bathroom. Yes. So let's go upstairs, because upstairs is very cool and has great features as well. You have a loft up there, natural light. So, hey, you may not want to come downstairs to hang out. Maybe you want to stay up there and congregate. Boom, you're good. And look at your owner suite. So you can fit your bed in there with your bedroom furniture. You have natural light, walk-in closet, beautiful bathroom. It's very good. Yeah. So listen, when we talk about buying or selling a home, don't go at it alone, right? You don't have to, and you shouldn't. Consider me a resource. I'm here to assist, right? I've been in business for over 2 decades. I'm a real estate broker and appraiser. So I understand negotiations and valuations very well. You're in good hands. Go ahead and give me a call. My number is below. And I also have additional contact information, which is right here. Boom. Call me, text me, email me. I will respond. Now, when you call me, if I don't answer, that's rare. But if I don't answer, please send me a text message, an email, a voice message, and we'll talk very soon. What I want to do is have a face-to-face talk with you so we can map out and strategize your move here. Yeah, because you have things going on like anyone else, right? You have a home that you have to sell or rent before you purchase. You may have children, you may have parents, your place of employment, all that good stuff. You got to get that worked out. So let's just strategize and map it out, right? And we'll execute at your own pace, okay? So I record videos actually in the Atlanta metro area and the surrounding counties. So if you want to get familiarized with, our Atlanta, our metro area, Georgia, go ahead and watch some other videos so you can see what we have going on here, okay? And then let's talk about it, right? Because the reality is Georgia will check off a lot of your boxes. We have homes in different price points, okay? So this one here is under $500,000. Right? It's really lovely, gated community with amenities, sidewalks and all that good stuff. Great location close to all the things that's really important to you. Places of worship, restaurants, shopping, expressway, eateries, just parks, all that stuff. So you're in a good location here. Yeah. So let's talk very soon. My number's below, like I said, and catch the other videos so you can get familiarized, and we'll talk when you're ready. All right. Take care.